Hi, welcome back to Hostpark CS channel and back to the tutorial for C programming language. The tutorial exclusive helpful for who are preparing the competitive exams as well as the university, college level, and also beginners and who are want to learn properly. The tutorial will be helpful for you. And today we are going to see the topic called variables in C. The previous sessions I explained about the syllabus, followed by the tutorial session called tokens in C. What are the types of tokens? What are like keywords, identifier, constant, and so on. Today we are going to see the topic called variables. It's a very easy and one. Program means what? Instructions data. Remember. So let's see. Now we know what is variable. In C language, you can simply define what is variable means it is a name of the memory location. What is variable? It is the name of the memory location, and also it is used to store data. Why we need variable? Because if you want to store some data or information, we need variable. And also its value can be changed and it can be reused many times. Remember, and it is a way to represent memory location through symbol so that it can be easily identified. Now the question is what is the syntax for declare variable or how to declare variable. If you want to declare a variable, you have to follow the variable syntax is type space variable underscore list. Example, you can say int a, float b, and character c, and so on. Here, what are the ABC? These are variables. Remember, and this int float character are data types. The data types in the upcoming session I explain, and then we follow the operators and so on in the syllabus based on the syllabus as I told in the playlist. Any doubts you can verify in the playlist. Then, so type space variable is you can give int. For example, if you want, you can continue int a, then a is equal to 10. If you go a is equal to 10, what is the meaning? The a value be initialized or assigned 10. The a value is 10. Whenever try to print the value of a, it will print 10 only. Then come to the types of variables. There are few types is there. One is called local variable, and another one is called global, another is static, another one is automatic, another one is external variable. Let's see one by one what are the local and one by one what is that and what is the meaning and why we need and how to declare with the examples. First, local variable. What is local variable? A variable that is declared inside the function or block is called a local variable. Example, we can say void function of 1 int x equal to 10. That is a local variable. So we can define inside the program, starting of the program, void function, void main, and so on. So if you give like this int x equal to 10, the value of x will be 10 only. It's a fixed one. Local variable is what? A variable that is declared inside the function. Then what is global variable? A variable that is declared outside the function or block is called a global variable. So any function can change the value of global variable. Remember. And also it is available to all functions. So I already explained the structure of C language. You know how to implement the C program, what structure like global, main, and so on. So global variable is one. Before the suppose your program started void main, int a comma b, and so on. Before void main, you can declare. Let's see the example here. So you can give like this int value is equal to 20. That is global variable, and void function 1 of then int x equal to 10. Like that again, whenever the print, you can print the value will be 20 only. Then next one is static variable. What is static variable? It's a variable where it is that is declared with a static keyword. And so a variable that is declared with a static keyword is called a static variable. Easily you can remember. What is the static variable? A variable that is declared with a static keyword, and it retains its value between multiple function calls. Let's see the example. Void function 1 of then int x equal to 10. So function is the one of the topic upcoming session will definitely cover. Just understand. So because you know already structure of C language, int x equal to 10 and static int y is equal to 10. Then int x equal to x plus 1 and y is equal to y plus 1. Now I want to print the both values of both variables x and y. So what will happen whenever to execute the program? The local variable 10 is a fixed one, so it print 10 only, 10, 11. But when I go static, it automatically increment the value 1, 1 like that 2 or 3 times. So when I try to execute the program, it will print the y value 10, 11, 12, and so on. Remember. But x, whenever give the static so local variable is not possible. So for next one, automatic variable. Here all variables in C that are declared inside the block are automatic variables by default. Remember, what are the variables you declare in the program? That is called the automatic variable. We can explicitly declare an automatic variable during auto keyword. So if you want to differentiate, we can make auto keyword. Let's example you can see void main, then int x equal 10, that is a local variable, then auto int y is equal 20, that means automatic variable. So upcoming sessions I will give the example, just understand small example. So we are assigning int x equal to a 10 value, that is a variable x having 10, and another y variable having the value 20, auto int, like that. Then last one is the external variable. We can share a variable in multiple C source file by using an external variable here. To declare an external variable, we need to use extend keyword. When I want to use the external variable, we need the support of keyword called extend keyword. Let's example, you can say extend int x equal 10. So in any for example, a program.a.c, we are using this extend int x1, int x equal 10, that is a external variable. Another program b.c, you can implement it. So you can access this variable easily. That is the use of external variable. Anywhere, number of times you can call it. Upcoming session we'll see it examples properly. So I hope that you understand what is meant by variable and why we need, and what is how to declare the variable and types of variable and so on. So if you have any queries, you can communicate in the social media at any time. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for more updates, and thanks for watching.